अक्टूबर 2024 में Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh addressed the Indian Air Force declining squadron strength, which had reached 31 squadrons, the lowest since 1965. Lowest since 1965. The Indian Air Force is currently operating with 31 squadrons, the lowest count since 65 when India was engaged in a war with Pakistan. We are committed to fighting with whatever we have. This is the state of the Air Force. We are committed to fighting with whatever we have while prioritizing the maintenance of current assets and ensuring personnel are properly trained. This is his concern in 2024. फिर क्या हुआ? आपने Indian Air Chief again said, at the moment we are very badly off. I'm not saying this. At the moment we are very badly off in terms of numbers. And the numbers that have been promised are also coming in very slow time, making a case for boosting production rate of fighters. He said that an in-house study conducted by IAF showed that it must induct 2 fighter squadrons every year to cater to the numbers needed. The existing have fleets which will be phased out. Now, what is that existing fleet that is being phased out? Your MiG-21 being phased out. Your MiG-29 being phased out. Your 2,000 Mirages being phased out. So what are you left with? Su-30 MKI. Su-30 MKI is what you're left with. And the Rafale aircraft is a 4.5 generation aircraft. हमारे पास तो ये 31 स्क्वाड्रन फेजिंग आउट के बाद 29 रह जाएंगे और पाकिस्तान आज के दिन उनके पास 25 स्क्वाड्रन है, तो लगभग बराबरी है और साथ साथ में 133 स्क्वाड्रन चीन के हैं। ये तो हो गई हमारी प्रेपरेशन की बात कि हमारे पास इतना साधन नहीं है कि हम पाकिस्तान को ध्वस्त कर दें।